Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to prepare social media graphics in Affinity Studio. The first thing I want you to do is come at the top left, click on File, click here on New, and you can go ahead and set your custom dimensions here, or you can just scroll down and use one of their presets. For example, this is a social media portrait post. They have others as well. For example, 9 by 16, 4 by 3. I'll just go ahead and create a document for this one. And I want you to just go ahead and click on this icon. And then when it asks you to add pages or artboards, click on artboards. And now you can go ahead and have multiple artboards. And I'll just go ahead and show you how to create a custom one as well. So if I bring this to the right, click here on vector. Here, you'll notice we have this option. This is the artboard tool. I can click on this and create my custom artboard. Once you have your artboard created, you can go ahead and edit that, or you can come here and do a custom one. So let's, for example, do 1280 by 720. That is the YouTube thumbnail dimensions. And now we'll go ahead and add images to our artboard. So I'll come here, just bring this one in. Let's go ahead and resize this as such. And then you can also go ahead and add assets. The way you do that, you come here at the top, you click on Window, and then I want you to just go over here, hover over General, click here on Assets, and you can create your own assets. You can use the ones they have. If you click on this drop down, you'll see they have a lot of icons that you can go ahead and use. You can just scroll down and pick any you want. I will just go ahead and use this one. So we'll bring this in here. We'll resize this. And if you want, you can add your own assets. The way you go ahead and do that is by coming back to default, bring in whatever asset you want. Let's say I want to use this as my asset. I just go ahead and click on it. Click on these three horizontal lines, and then click on Add from Selection, and it will be added as an asset. And once you're ready to export everything, you just come to the top left, click on File, click here on Export, click on Export again. You can choose your file format, either JPEG, PNG, then just come in the right hand side, choose the ones you want to go ahead and export. So you can choose either you want artboard 1, artboard 2, 3, or just the whole document, and then just click here on Export. But that is how you can go ahead and prepare social media graphics in Affinity Studio.